Welcome to home school. Last session we have completed up to 1 to 5 problems. So here we are going to start with the 6th problem. So what is the 6th problem? Let's see the 6th problem here. If 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. So what do we have here? We have 4 coordinates. Let the A coordinate be 1, 2, B 4, y, C x, 6 and D 3, 5. So look over here children, what is this? They have given it as a parallelogram. Parallelogram, find the missing x value and y value is your question. How do you find this x and y here? So I just have a look of it. It is a parallelogram. The diagonals bisect each other at the same point. How many diagonals you have here? BD and AC. BD and AC bisect at this point. If you are able to find this point, you can find over. Okay, how do you find this? What is this point? Where it is? It is the midpoint of BD. Midpoint of BD and midpoint of AC. So, midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD because the same point both will be equal. So, both should get the same answer. So, first let's find midpoint of AC. When you are considering midpoint of AC, let A be x1, y1 and C be x2, y2. Midpoint formula, what is your midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. 1 plus x by 2, 2 plus 6 by 2, that will be x plus 1 by 2, 8 by 2. 8 by 2 if you cancel, what you are going to get? X plus 1 by 2, 4. Midpoint of AC is equal to x plus 1 by 2, 4. Same manner, we are going to continue midpoint of BD. What is midpoint of BD? When you are finding BD, B, x1, y1. You can remove this, otherwise you will be confused. x2, y2. So what is midpoint of BD? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. What's your x1 value? 4. 4 plus 3 by 2, y plus 5 by 2. 4 plus 3 how much? 7 by 2. Y plus 5 by 2 as it is you take. So here this you mark it as a first equation and this one you mark it as a second equation. So now according to the first line, midpoint of AC must be equal to midpoint of BD. Okay, so these two equations let's equate here. Have a look. X plus 1 by 2, 4 and 7 by 2, y plus 5 by 2. Let's equate here. So look here, this coordinate and this coordinate will be equating and this and this. Okay. X plus 1 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. 2 will be cancelled. X plus 1 is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. Plus 1 bring this side. Minus 1. X is equal to 6. And another 4 is equal to y plus 5 by 2. 4. This denominator 2 set that side it will be multiple. 4 2s are 8. 8 is equal to y plus 5. Y is equal to 8 minus 5. Y is equal to how much now? Y will be 3. So look over here. X value is 6 and y value is 3. And once again we are going to check this. X equal to 6, y is equal to 3. Let's compare these two, right? So x value is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 2, 7 by 2 equal. Okay. Y value is 3. Substitute here. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 by 2 will be 4. See here, yeah, that point of intersection both will be equal, then our answer is correct. So what's your B coordinate here? In place of y you substitute 3 and in C coordinate in place of x substitute 6. Therefore B coordinate is 4, 3. C coordinate is 6, 6. Hope children this is very easy to understand. Let's shift to the 7th problem. What is your 7th problem here? Okay, A coordinate you need to calculate. Look over here. Find the coordinates of a point where AB is a diameter of a circle. Okay, have you seen a circle? AB is a diameter of the circle where you don't know A. You have to calculate A, right? So now, whose center is? Center is C comma minus 3. Let's mark center with C. C letter. And B coordinate is 1 comma 4. So what you are going to find here? You are going to find A coordinate. Let us assume it as X comma Y. So instead of line segment, they have given a circle. So AB is a diameter. Then what is this point? It will be the midpoint. Midpoint means it is the center where AC and CB are the radius of a circle. Both the radius will be equal, right? So how can we solve this problem? It's very simple. Radius are equal now. Let's equate here. What is the midpoint of AB? Is C. So calculate the midpoint for these two coordinates and equate with the C coordinate, right? So let's start here. Midpoint of AB is equal to C. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. That will be, substitute here, X1 value is X and X2 value is how much? 1 by 2 comma. Your Y1 value is Y and your Y2 value is 4 by 2 is equal to 2 comma minus 3. Okay. So now what you are going to do further? Again, same pattern. You are going to equate X plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 comma Y plus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 3. So send this denominator to other side. It will be a multiple. X plus 1 is equal to 2 2s are 4. X is equal to 4 minus 1. X is equal to 3. Plus 1, if it comes at this side, it will be minus 1. 4 minus 1 will be 3. Then Y plus 4 is equal to, multiply this to this side. Minus you have here, don't forget. 3 2s are minus 6. Y is equal to minus 6. Bring this 4 this side. Minus 4. Y is equal to minus 10. Therefore, what is your A coordinate, ma? X comma Y is equal to 3 comma minus 10. Okay. So, let's see the 8th problem here. If A and B are minus 2 comma minus 2 and 2 comma minus 4 respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB and P lies on the line segment. Finally, what we understand here? AB is a line segment. P is a point lying on the line segment X comma Y. So, lying on its line segment coordinate is X comma Y. Now, what you need to find? Did they give you M1 is to M2? No. Something they have given here. Let's see this one. AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB. This AB multiple, bring this side. What happens here? AP by AB is equal to 3 by 7. Let's have a look here. AP means from here to here it will be 3. Then AB from here to here. Look children, most of the people will do mistake here. So please have a look carefully. Ratio when we need the point division. This AP is to PB we need to do the problem. But the question given is AP is to AB. So I don't want up to here, I don't want. So what is this one? 3. 7 minus 3 will be 4. How to do this one now? AP needed. Now I need the ratio AP by PB in order to find P coordinate. But PB don't know. What do you write here? AP plus PB is equal to AP plus PB is equal to how much here? Total it is 7. AP plus PB is none other than AB. You know AP. What is AP? 3. PB don't know. AB is how much, ma? 7. PB is equal to 7 minus 3. That will be 4. Look here. PB is how much now? 4. So we need this ratio. Okay. Did you understand here? Whatever the ratio given, you have to compare this. Whether that is in the form of AP is to PB there or not, check out carefully. Sometimes it may be PB is to AB they will give. You don't want AB. PB is to AP needed. Okay. So change like this. Now what is AP is to PB ma? It will be 3 by 4. What is this 3? M1 and 4 will be M2. So now section formula. By using section formula, we are going to find the point on the line segment joining points which are divided internally in the ratio 3:4. You know section formula, right? What is your M1 here? 3. X2 value is, okay, let's write X1, Y1, X2, Y2. M1, X2. What is X2? 3, 2. What is your M2 value? 4. X1 value is minus 2 by M1 plus M2. 3 plus 4. Comma 3 into what is your Y2? Minus 4. M2 value is how much? 4. Y1 value is minus 2. Okay? By 3 plus 4. Now look here children carefully. 3 2s are 6. Minus 4. Minus into plus minus. 4 2s are 8. By 3 plus 4 will be 7. Minus 4 3s are 12. Minus 4 2s are 8. By 7. This will be how much? 6 minus 8 will be minus 2 by 7, comma, minus 20 by 7. Now what we got is the coordinate. What is your px comma y coordinate here? Minus 2 by 7, comma, minus 20 by 7. Is this clear? Let's move to the ninth problem. What's your ninth problem here? Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining. Can you see the line segment here? Coordinate of the points which divide the line segment joining A minus 2, 2 and B 2, 8. Line segment joining points are A and B. This line is divided into 4 parts. How many parts? 4 parts. So, we have taken one of the problem similar. What is that problem in before class? Trisection. Trisection means a line is divided into 3 parts. Now it is divided into 4 equal parts. See, look here children, this problem orally also we can do. How can we do? First we should understand here, right? So you can use section formula or midpoint formula, you can find. So have a look here. When it is divided into 4 equal parts, Q must be the midpoint of A and B. And P is the midpoint of A and Q. R is the midpoint of Q and B. Okay, fine. Let's orally find and then compare after doing this, right? So what is this Q? Minus 2 plus 2 will be 0. 0 by 2? 0. Okay, let's just deal. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 by 2 will be 5 over. Q coordinate is ready. Then again, now look over here. K, 1:1 ratio means it is a midpoint. So how to find this? 0 plus 2 will be 2. 2 by 2 will be 1. 5 plus 8 will be 13. This will be 13 by 2. Okay. Now coming here P. P coordinate how can you find? Minus 2 plus 0 will be minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 will be minus 1. Comma 2 plus 5 it will be 7 by 2. Okay. These coordinates I am not going to erase. Okay. Have a look and then we are going to get the coordinate. Ready children? So a line segment joining points A and B given for you. Find the 3 coordinates. See here, suppose if your line is divided into 4 parts. 4 parts means it is divided into 3 coordinates but not 4. Okay, that you understand carefully. So now, how to divide? First, I am going to consider this coordinate, right? I am going to neglect these two now. Only P I will find. How it is divided equally, right? K written. So if you consider at this point, AP is to PB 1K and remaining K's add another K plus K 2K plus K will be 3K. K by 3K 1 by 3. What is 1? M1 and 3 is M2. So now A coordinate is X1, Y1. What's your B coordinate? X2, Y2. Okay. So now let's start the how to find the P coordinate. P coordinate how do you find? Using section formula Px, y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So let's start substituting here. M1 value is 1 into x2 value is 2, m2 value is 3, x1 value is minus 2, 1 plus 3, what's your m1 value? 1, y2 value is 8, m2 value will be 3, y1 value will be 2 by 1 plus 3. So look carefully here. 1 2s are 2 minus 3 2s are 6 by 4, 8 plus 6 by 4. So 2 minus 6 will be minus 4 by 4, 8 plus 6 will be 14, 14 by 4. If you are able to cancel, you can cancel 2 sevens. That will be minus 1, 7 by 2. Please compare with the above answer, children. Here, how much we got P coordinate? Minus 1, 7 by 2. Is this correct? Yes, no? Use a technique to just check your answer is right or wrong, but don't go in that method. Okay? You have to do using only your section formula. So, shall I give you homework today? P coordinate I found, right? I am just going to give you the other two coordinates hint. Okay, what is the hint here? Q coordinate. Look here, children. Q. If you want to find Q coordinate, what you are going to do? AQ is to QB. AQ ratio QB. After AQ, what is your ratio here? K plus K. 2K by K plus K. 2K. Then that will be 1:1 ratio. M1 value 1, M2 value will be 1. Same x1, y1, x2, y2. You are going to continue and you are going to get your Q coordinate. Similarly, coming to your R coordinate. How do you find your R coordinate? Look here, children. What is your R coordinate? K plus K plus K. It will be 3K. How do you write your ratio? AR by RB. That will be 3K by K. That will be 3:1. Here M1 value is 3, M2 value is 1. Same x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, in this way, you are going to find now Q coordinate and R coordinate. It's very easy, children. Don't be confused. Okay, children, 10th one. Find the area of a rhombus if its vertices are given. What are the vertices given here? 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4, minus 2, minus 1. Okay. How do you find the area of a rhombus? They have given us a hint. Area of a rhombus is equal to half of product of its diagonals. So, what are the diagonals here? So, let's join the diagonals. AC and BD. What are the two diagonals here? AC and BD. According to the given hint, what is the area of a rhombus? Half of product of its diagonals. AC into BD. How do you get AC? AC, how do you get if the two vertices are given? You should find the length of this AC. How do you find the length here? Applying distance formula. So, what is the distance formula here? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So, when you start with the distance of AC, okay, AC, x1 y1, x2, y2. Okay, so x2 minus x1, come on, minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square. Minus 1 minus 3 will be minus 4 whole square plus 4 minus 0 will be 4 whole square. Minus 4 whole square, minus into minus plus 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. Then 16 plus 16 will be 32 and this will be, you can rewrite this one. How do you write this? This will be 32 and this further you can simplify. 16 2s are 32 where 16 is a perfect square. So what is the square root of 16? It will be 4 root 2. What is your answer here? 4 root 2 units is the distance of AC diagonal. Similarly, we are going to find what is the distance of BD. For that, what I am going to do here? B, x1, y1. What's your D? x2, y2. Again, apply the distance formula. You know, no? What is the distance formula? Minus 2 minus 4 whole square plus minus 1 minus 5 whole square. Minus 2 minus 4 will be minus 6 whole square. Minus 1 minus 5 will be minus 6 whole square. Minus 6 into minus 6 will be 36 plus 36. That will be, what is that, ma? It will be root of 72. If you further simplify, 36 2s are, that will be 36 is a perfect square. If you remove root, it will be 6 root 2 units. Okay. So still we did not complete our problem. Still we have, what is the area of a rhombus is your question. Area of a rhombus. That will be half of AC. How much you got here? 4 root 2. And what is your BD here? 6 root 2. Okay. So now 1 by 2 into 4 into 6 into root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 will be 2. How you know? Root 2 whole square. Root 2 into root 2 will be root 2 whole square. Square root cancel. 2 will be left. This 2 will be cancelled. So how much is this? 4 6 here. 24 square units is your answer. Okay. What is the area of the given rhombus? Area of the given rhombus is equal to 24 square units. With this, we are going to end our exercise 7.2. Okay. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching.